Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about the next concept, and the name of the concept is electric circuit. Now, what do you mean by electric circuit? What is electric circuit? So before starting this concept, let me ask you some things related to the electric circuit only. Like when you switch on the light, when you switch on the fan, how does light go to that fan or to that tube light or bulb or AC or any electrical device, whatever we are talking about? What happens? How does this light propagates, moves and reaches to that? So isn't it a good question that should be just instigating in your mind? See, there is some path through which the current flows. Okay, so we are talking about that path only, and that is known as electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? The path through which the current flows is called an electric circuit. Okay, so what are the main components which can be observed or found in an electric circuit? What are the main things what makes the electric circuit? So these are like connecting wires, the components of the electric circuit. They are connecting wires, then an electric switch, which is going to on and off, which is going to make the path continuous or discontinuous. Okay, so connecting wires and electric switch and any device which works on electricity, device which works on electricity. Generally we take bulb, example bulb, electric bulb. Okay, so this is about the components of the electric circuit, what all is required in a in an electric circuit to be operated. So it is connecting wires. Normally they are made up of insulated copper wire, insulated, these are insulated copper wires. Okay, then electric switch, you know very well about the switch. What is a switch? Switch is the plastic, those you can see in the switchboard. What are they? So it is they are like, they make the electric circuit continuous or discontinuous. Okay, now let us see what is electric switch. Electric switch is a device which is connected in the a device connected in the electric circuit to allow the current to flow when it is on and to stop the flow of current when it is off. Okay, so such type of device is the device when connected in the electric circuit to allow the current to flow when it is on and to stop the flow of current when it is off. Okay, so it is basically a device which will allow the current to move through the electric circuit. Fine. Now it depends upon the position of the electric switch. What is the position of the electric switch? It can be, according to the position of the electric switch, the electric circuit can be of two types. Circuit can be of two types. Okay, and what are they? Open circuit and closed circuit. So what is open circuit and what is closed circuit? Let us just imagine, visualize. When the fan is not working, it means the current is not flowing. It means the circuit is open. It is discontinuous. It means the current is not flowing. So switch is in off condition. Fine. When the fan is working or the light is glowing, at that time it means the current is flowing through the circuit. That's why the things are operating. Okay, so it means that condition, when the electric current is flowing through the circuit, it means it is in the on condition. Okay, electric switch is on. Fine. So keeping in view what, according to the position of the electric switch, the electric switch circuit is of two types. And what are the two types? Let us see. They are open circuit and closed circuit. Okay, so what are open circuit and closed circuit? See, when the, let us discuss first open circuit. When the switch is in the circuit is open, then the current does not flow. Current does not flow, okay, through the circuit, and such type of circuit is said to be open circuit. Fine. Then comes closed circuit. What happens in the closed circuit? In which the switch is closed. Okay, so the current flows. Current is flowing through the circuit. So such type of circuit is said to be closed circuit. Okay, fine everyone. So how to represent them? We can show it them with the help of a diagram. And what are the diagram? Let us see. So what are the components of the circuit? First of all, remember this. The components are like a cell, electric cell, which is having a positive and negative terminal. So this is connected to a bulb. Okay, bulb, two terminals. Now this is connected to a switch. And this terminal is connected like this. So in this, they are not in contact with each other. So it means it is a, let me label it cell, then bulb, this is switch, and this is wire. The bulb is not glowing. Why? Because they are not in contact with each other. So it means this circuit is open. Fine. Then let me make another one. Cell, 2 terminals, wire connected to the bulb, then this is connected to the key, and connected. Now in this case the bulb is going to glow. Okay, so it means this is positive terminal, this is negative. Again let us see what is it. Cell, bulb, key, and connecting wire. Now this condition is open circuit, and this one is closed circuit. So this is how we can differentiate between open and closed circuit. Okay, so it is actually the path from where the current is flowing, from positive terminal. So these arrows, they are going to show, but in this case the current is not flowing. Why? Because they are not in touch with each other, they are not in contact. It is open key, and this is a closed key, so the current is flowing through it from positive, negative. So this is the path through which the electric current is flowing. So this path is only known as the electric circuit. So I hope everyone has understood what do we mean by electric circuit, what is the condition of open circuit, and what is closed circuit. So you need to draw them in your notebook and explain about the components of the open and closed circuit. Fine.